Health portfolio. It's all about me. Physical health. During the physical health unit, I was able to calculate my body mass index as well as how many calories I need to be eating per day. I learned the different components of exercise, which are cardiovascular endurance, body composition, flexibility, and muscular endurance. I also learned the difference between aerobic and anaerobic exercises. All of this has helped me to choose which exercises I want to do at the gym or at home and how each will benefit me. Social health. During the social health unit, I learned about the different types of birth control available. For example, the pill, condoms, injection, insert, etc. I also learned about HIV/AIDS, STDs, and how they are transmitted. This has taught me what to be aware of and how to participate in safe sex. It also taught me the different symptoms of many STDs, so I know what to look out for and what can be concerning. Mental health. In this unit, I learned about stress management, which has helped me tremendously. I get stressed very easily, and now I know how to slow down and what methods work best for reducing my stress. I make sure to leave some time for myself at least 3 times a week to hang out with friends or exercise as my method. For my project, I was assigned social anxiety disorder, which I learned so much about. I know someone who struggles with this disorder, so learning more has helped me to understand what they're going through, and I know sometimes interacting with others can be extremely difficult, so I don't judge them anymore for not wanting to go out. Intellectual health. While studying the intellectual health unit, I learned all about different drugs. I know not all of them are particularly addictive or deadly. I also know which ones can be seriously dangerous. I learned what withdrawal from each one looks like and what the drug does to the body. This has helped me to know the difference between prescription drugs and the others. I know how dangerous opioids can be, so if I'm ever prescribed them in the future after a surgery or something similar, I know I have to be extra cautious in following the dosage. I also studied alcohol in BAC, which stands for blood alcohol content. I learned how alcohol can impact the liver, so I know later in life I must be careful to manage my drinking. Alcoholism is a disease that runs in my family history, so I know how important it is for me to be careful. Tobacco is the last thing I studied during this unit, and I learned that it can cause many different diseases and is very addictive. Smoking tobacco can cause different respiratory issues and lung cancer. I learned about nicotine and why it is addictive as well as all the symptoms or withdrawal from it. Environmental health. The environmental health unit taught me a lot. I learned that it's easy to misconceive what is recyclable. I used to think plastic bags were recyclable, but they aren't, and now I know that putting them in with recycling can slow down the process and make the end product less valuable. I also learned how to reduce my water usage. For example, I now know that washing dishes by hand uses a lot more water than using the dishwasher. And if I have leftover water, I can save it for my pet or plants. Another topic I learned about was natural disasters. I know that they can be extremely destructive and cost billions of dollars. Previously, I did not realize how much they cost, both money-wise and destructive-wise. I also learned about global warming. I know we need to cut down on our usage of fossil fuels, which can be done by riding bikes or walking short distances instead of driving so often. Fossil fuels emit greenhouse gases that get trapped in our atmosphere and make the earth hotter. I now know plenty of ways to reduce the emission of these greenhouse gases. Consumer health. While learning about consumer health, I realized I had never heard about consumer rights. I learned about the right to choose, the right to be heard, the right to safety, the right to be informed, the right to satisfaction of basic needs, the right to redress or remedy, and the right to environmental health. I now know what red flags of advertisement to look out for, and I know if a company is denying me my rights as a consumer. This will help me tremendously while shopping and making choices between products.